It's trivia time. What is the main ingredient in traditional Japanese miso soup? A. Rice. B. Miso paste. C. Seaweed. Miso paste. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits due to its strong smell and taste? A. Mango. B. Durian. C. Papaya. Durian. What Italian cheese is traditionally used in making tiramisu? A. Ricotta. B. Mozzarella. C. Mascarpone. Mascarpone. In which country did cheddar cheese originate? A. France. B. England. C. Switzerland. England. What type of pastry is used to make a classic French eclair? A. Puff pastry. B. Filo pastry. C. Choux pastry. Choux pastry. What spice gives curry its yellow color? A. Saffron. B. Turmeric. C. Paprika. Turmeric. What is the main ingredient in the Mexican dish guacamole? A. Avocado. B. Tomato. C. Lime. Avocado. Which alcoholic beverage is made by distilling fermented sugarcane juice or molasses? A. Whiskey. B. Vodka. C. Rum. Rum. What is the name of the Spanish dish that traditionally includes rice, saffron, and seafood? A. Tapas. B. Paella. C. Gazpacho. Paella. Which fruit is known for its spiky exterior and juicy yellow flesh inside? A. Pineapple. B. Mango. C. Coconut. Pineapple. What is the primary ingredient in the Italian dish risotto? A. Couscous. B. Quinoa. C. Arborio rice. Arborio rice. Which nut is used to make marzipan? A. Walnuts. B. Almonds. C. Hazelnut. Almonds. What is the process of preserving food in vinegar or brine called? A. Curing. B. Smoking. C. Pickling. Pickling. Which vegetable is also known as courgette in some countries? A. Zucchini. B. Eggplant. C. Cucumber. Zucchini. What is the main ingredient in hummus? A. Chickpeas. B. Lentils. C. White beans. Chickpeas. What Italian cured meat is often wrapped around melon as an appetizer? A. Pancetta. B. Salami. C. Prosciutto. Prosciutto. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? A. Colombia. B. Brazil. C. Vietnam. Brazil. What type of pasta translates to little worms in Italian? A. Vermicelli. B. Fettuccine. C. Linguine. Vermicelli. Which alcoholic beverage is typically used in a traditional tiramisu? A. Brandy. B. Coffee liqueur. C. Port wine. Coffee liqueur. What is the name of the French cooking technique that involves cooking food in a water bath? A. Sous vide. B. Roasting. C. Bain-marie. Bain-marie. What is the name of the flaky, buttery bread often served in France for breakfast? A. Croissant. B. Brioche. C. Baguette. Croissant. What is the main flavoring in the drink pina colada? A. Lime and coconut. B. Orange and pineapple. C. Coconut and pineapple. Coconut and pineapple. What ingredient is used to make the Japanese rice wine sake? A. Barley. B. Wheat. C. Rice. Rice. Which fruit is known as stone fruit because of its large pit? A. Peach. B. Banana. C. Apple. Peach. What is the national dish of Scotland made with sheep's offal? A. Black pudding. B. Haggis. C. Cullen skink. Haggis. What kind of flour is used to make traditional pasta? A. Whole wheat flour. B. All-purpose flour. C. Semolina. Semolina. Which herb is commonly used to flavor pesto? A. Cilantro. B. Basil. C. Parsley. Basil. What is the name of the spicy Hungarian soup made with paprika and beef? A. Minestrone. B. Goulash. C. Borscht. Goulash. What is the process of cooking food slowly in liquid just below boiling point called? A. Simmering. B. Frying. C. Steaming. Simmering. What type of tea is traditionally used in a Japanese tea ceremony? A. Jasmine tea. B. Earl Grey. C. Matcha. Matcha. What is the traditional filling of a Greek spanakopita? A. Potato and onion. B. Tomato and olives. C. Spinach and feta cheese. Spinach and feta cheese. What is the primary ingredient in falafel? A. Lentils. B. Chickpeas. C. Quinoa. Chickpeas. What is the Italian term for coffee with steamed milk? A. Americano. B. Latte. C. Espresso. Latte. Which type of wine is commonly used to make sangria? A. Red wine. B. White wine. C. Sparkling wine. Red wine. What type of meat is traditionally used in a shepherd's pie? A. Beef. B. Pork. C. Lamb. Lamb. What is the term for the process of whipping cream until it forms soft peaks? A. Beating. B. Whisking. C. Folding. Whisking. Which fruit is used to make prunes? A. Apricots. B. Plums. C. Grapes. plums.